hopefully matapos namin lahat. And then Wednesday, andito nakasulat. Wednesday will be second reading. And then next Tuesday na ang magiging third reading. So
Mm.
mabibigyan natin ni members over the weekend basahin yung clean copy. Just to
Tulungan.
compare it, kasi before, ang process is amendment, second, third reading all in one day. No? So
Okay.
walang timing members na basahin yung mga amendments. So ngayon, we will give time to the members to read the amendments. Hopefully, masign namin yung BICAM report December 16. Tapos, ang tentative na signing ng budget will be December 29.
Sorry, isa na lang, sir. Gano'ng katagal po yung Bicam, sir? Inaasahan natin.
Ilinagay namin dito, hopefully, 11, 12, 13, 3 days.
Sinong
Yung
next?
3 days, depende kung gabi nga ni Sen Ping, bakbakan na. Depende gaano kahaba yung bakbakan o usapan. Pero hopefully naman in those 3 days, makahanap naman kami ng agreement.